Hello everybody and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. Today we're going to be talking about negative temperature coefficient thermistors, and we're going to play around with some virtual hardware and code. So let's talk about the operation of a thermistor first. Let's have a look at the circuit, then we'll have a look at the beta curve and so on, the theory. So over here and our thermistor, and we're going to pull down resistors. So this forms a potential divider from 5 volts down to 0 volts and provides a voltage which is connected to the analog input of our Arduino. So here's what the actual breadboard would look like. So that's the hardware involved. So there's your pull-up, there's your thermistor as per that drawing. So let's have a look at the curve. Okay, so here we got our curve. So the resistance versus temperature is a logarithmic curve. It's not a linear curve that the resistance change follows as you change the temperature. So that's why you have lookup tables for what's called the beta value that you need to factor into your calculation for NTC thermistors. So next let's have a look at the code for this little setup. Alright, so what I've got here is the hardware, which is Arduino, and the NTC thermistor, and I've got the code running. So let's have a look at the code. So analog read, analog pin 0 becomes analog value, which is an integer. Now your beta constant is 3950. That's a beta coefficient for the thermistor. We're going to be sending our reading out on the serial port. So serial begin 9600 baud. So Celsius equals 1 divided by the logarithmic value of 1 divided by 1023, which is your full resolution value from the analog pin, divided by analog value minus 1, divided by beta plus 1, divided by 298.15 minus 273.15. So that's the range in which it's going to produce a result. That then leaves us with a value called temperature. So next, serial print temperature, which is a text string. Then we print Celsius, which is that result from there. Then we print degree C, which is another text string to indicate the unit in which we're indicating the temperature. And then we wait a second, go do the same. So let's have a play with it. If you click on the thermistor, it brings up this little bar over here where you can simulate the temperature change. And as that moves, we can see the value being printed out changing. And if you want to see a curve of that, we change it to display curve. And we there then can see a plot of the temperature value being sent out. So you've got a little bit of a scope function for it. Then vice versa, deselecting it shows the actual temperature in degrees C. So that's an NTC thermistor and how it works. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this quick chat on how these things work. I hope you enjoyed the talk. Hope you learned something. Hope to see you here for more. Have a wonderful day further. Cheers.